right. This is called Raindrop Splash by Alvin Tresselt and pictures by Leonard Weisgard. See the front and then on the back, it's just the same picture. See if you open it up. And I'm reading this today because it was supposed to be a very stormy day. Oh, look at that rain. All right. And our rain story is going to have some thunder in it. Raindrop splash. You know, when there's a storm outside, it's not really scary. It's just the weather kind of reacting. So if you hear a big sound like that, like the thunder, we've heard that in class. It's not really scary. It's just a loud noise, just like the fire alarm. Or if you see a bright light in the sky, it's just lightning because the particles in the air are reacting to each other. Just a big flash. You know what that thunder was? It was this. Remember at school? I can make that thunder sound. All right, let's start our book. Drip, drop, splash. Drip, drop, splash. Drip, drop, splash. Went the rain all day. Dripped from the shiny leaves and dropped from the rabbit's nose. Splashed from a brown bear's tail. Oh, there's a little tail. It fell from a daisy's face and trickled down the tree trunks and splunked on a green frog's back. I think I have a frog in my yard. There were so many raindrops they made a puddle. The puddles grew larger and larger and larger until it became a pond. Water lilies floated on it, little fish swam in it, and the tiny snails sat beside it. There's the pond. I had puddles at my house, but they've dried up now. Maybe we'll get some pictures of some other puddles. Still it rained. Drip, drop, splash. Drip, drop, splash. Drip, drop, splash. The little pond grew larger and larger and spilled right over into a brook. A brook's like a stream or a river. Tumbling and splashing and running down the mountain, scared a chipmunk splashed. Some violets passed. A mother deer showing her baby how to drink. Look. Jumped over big stones and fell into deep pools and rested on a bed of soft green moss. Then it tumbled into a lake. That's where all the rain dropped. Now it was a big lake with a big fish and tall pickerel weeds. Dragonflies skimmed over it. Where's the dragonfly? Oh, there it is. The water and the turtles floated quietly, and a red-winged blackbird built his nest in the rushes. The rushes are these grassy things here. Still it rained. Drip, drop, splash. Drip, drop, splash. The lake grew larger and larger. It flooded a farmer's meadow, and the cows stood in the mud. Oh no. It really did flood. Look, they're sitting on top of things. It covered a road, and the cars couldn't pass, and the children had to go to school in a boat. We wouldn't have to go to school in a boat, would we? It has rained pretty hard at our school. There they go. Then it overflowed into a river with houses and towns along the shore. It ran under bridges and over waterfalls. Men fished from the rocks, and two teams had a boat race. They had a boat race out there. It went past factories and warehouses, and the river came to great cities with docks. A dock's where the boat lands. There were ships and barges. Those are another kind of boat. And scows and tankers and boatfuls of people on holiday. So many boats. All that water. Little boys jumped into the water. Subway trains and cars ran under it. Ferry boats puffed back and forth on top, and seagulls flew over it, looking for fish to eat. Everybody's out there, all that water. Then it passed a fort and a lighthouse and a bell buoy, and the river flowed into the sea. Oh, it went such a long way. Tall waves rolled up to meet it. There was an ocean liner with lots of little tugboats guiding it, and the sun came out, and at last the rain stopped. That was the end. The rain stopped here, but it did rain a lot before. And you might hear, do you want to hear the thunder again? Wow, that's loud. Is it scary? No, it's not scary. It's just a tube here. And when it's up in the sky, it's not scary either. It's just the weather particles bumping against each other. There's more to that to explain. And when there's lightning, it's not really that scary either, although you can be safe and come inside. But it's still just weather. Okay, one more thunder. So if you hear the thunder or you see the lightning, you just be inside nice and safe and sound, but you don't have to be scary.